Guys, VST Velian Tech, and today we are installing Fortnite on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Okay guys, subscribe for my channel for real and hit the like button, okay? If you don't do this, I know where you live. I have all of your addresses, guys, so I'm gonna hunt you, alright? I'm gonna hunt you down. So please do this, alright? Did you already subscribe? Subscribe. Yes. Then we can go on. Guys, you know, Fortnite is not available on the regular Google Play Store because that's, I think, a decision from Epic Games. They just decided it that way, right? So it's not Android or Google to be blamed. But I'm trying to download it now from their site, so I check, get it on the Epic Games. Okay, now apparently we have to download an APK called Fortnite installer, and actually I've already downloaded it now. I just press open. Do you want to install application? Oh yes, we want to install Fortnite. App install, so let's just open the app. Epic Games. Oh, what a surprise. What do we have here? Fortnite Epic Games, Chapter 2.
Yes, you can!
That's something else. Okay, I don't care. Let's just click on Fortnite and let's just press install. Game storage required. I don't care. My phone is 256, so press on continue, allow, preparing. Okay, let's see. Download it. Okay, we're gonna speed it up and just see what happens after next. I have registered now. Let's turn on the sound. Okay, what's this? Skip. Install additional 6 gigabytes, guys. 6 gigabytes. So let's press on install. Okay. Cool. Alright, I have to speed it up again. I think it's for the third time already. Let's do this. Just when I thought it's ready, another 2.5 gigabytes to be downloaded, so brace yourselves. Get everything out of your bandwidth. Leave it all for Fortnite. And let's hope that the magic of Fortnite will soon enlighten us. So guys, let's become serious and wait. Very important piece of information, guys. Before you enter the game, go to settings and then choose the 60 FPS, because if you stay on 30 or 20 and you enter a match, you cannot change the FPS while you're in the game, alright? Another important disclaimer: if you set 60 FPS, then the quality presets automatically drops to high. Now you see what happens when I press and I go to Epic, it goes directly to 30 FPS. I just got a message that we hit a roadblock. Apparently Fortnite cannot run while the USB debugging is active, so I need to disable the developer mode and restart Fortnite. Oh my god, let's do this. Okay. Alright, we are now back. I had to disable, guys, the developer settings. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, now the bus. Now we have the bus. 90 FPS. 90 FPS while running, while flying in the bus. 50-60 FPS. It runs really very nice. Although, guys, I'm not too much impressed by the let's jump. I'm jumping. I am not too much impressed from the graphics. Alright, let's see. Alright. Shooting myself to the location. Waypoint, okay. Alright, come on. Oh my god. Come on, lady. Come on, lady. 60-80 FPS. Not too bad at all. Okay, landing. Boom, alright. 90 FPS. I can tell you the graphic is okay. Alright. Somehow I'm not so much impressed. This running like 59, 60 FPS, guys. Not that bad at all. Okay. Oh. What happened here? There was you seen that? While I was doing this, I got a lot of vibration, and somehow, oh, somebody wanna kill me. So I know who wanna kill me. This guy. No. Okay, guys, I'm dead. All right, now I'm back. While I was hitting the car, I think we got a frame drop. Yeah, but guys, this is Fortnite, so if you want to play it on the OnePlus 7 Pro, I say it's totally playable. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for the channel, and don't forget to comment. Bye. VST over. Subscribe.